In this video, we will introduce you to Opentree's cabinet system. It's been developed to save you money and time whilst controlling your documents to the most rigorous of industry standards. We'll show how familiar it is to use and how fast a user can pick it up and have a new file created in minutes. Cabinet is designed to have the familiar look and feel of Windows Explorer. This approach reduces the training requirements to bring your users online with the system. In the same way that Windows does, Cabinet uses a familiar folder tree for navigation. It uses colours to easily identify a document's availability, where red is for checked out to another user, blue is checked out to yourself, and black means that the file is available for checkout. It is worth noting that even if a document is already checked out to another user, a copy is always available for preview if needs be, meaning that you can still review the contents of the file even if you can't change it. When a document is listed in black, i.e. checked in, note that I get the option to preview as well as to open. Okay, so now we're at the stage where I'm going to create a new document. It's really simple to do. I just right click in the list view, select new, and then document. This is where Cabinet starts to exhibit its power over normal Windows Explorer. The new file wizard can guide the user through the process of selecting from a selection of authorized and approved templates. In this instance, we are going to create a Project Minutes Word document. Notice how the intents tree guides the user down the available options, reducing their scope of choice and also increasing the standardization of your project output. Another area where Cabinet excels over Windows File Explorer is its ability to add pertinent metadata to the documents. So, for our Project Minutes document, we have the following values defined for completion. Description. Note that description has a red arrow. This indicates to the user that they have to enter a value, i.e. it's mandatory. Location. Originator. And date. The next stage in the new file wizard is the file name and reference stage. The Opentree PR1 folder is providing PR1. The 04 Minutes of Meeting folder is supplying the OPT-MM prefix, and the 01 Commercial folder is giving us the COM. It has automatically selected the next available sequential number for this combination of prefixes. When we select to open the document, Cabinet will only use whichever application has been configured for that template. This is especially helpful when only certain versions of an application are to be used, i.e. with Autodesk's Revit. Cabinet keeps the user up to date when opening, advising when it is checking the file out to the local machine, and also when it is updating the linked text. More on this in a minute. Our file was created from a Word template, so it has opened the file in MS Word. Now, back to those linked texts. Our file is open, and you can see that some of the document properties and keyword values have been propagated through to the actual document. The reference, description, location and date have all been automatically completed. Because Cabinet has propagated the information through on our behalf, the chance for errors or non-completion has been removed. This in turn increases the data assurance and integrity on your projects. This almost concludes our introduction to Cabinet, so I'll close Word and save the file. As you can see, the file is still listed in blue, meaning that the file is still checked out to me. Checking in the file will ensure that my changes are saved and the file is made available to others in the system. Thanks for watching this video where we have given you a brief introduction to Opentree's Cabinet. We've shown how intuitive the interface is and how a user can be creating new files in the right folders with approved templates and with the correct file names and metadata in minutes.